We're going for it today. I'm doing 2 wig reviews in one day because it's our 5-year anniversary at the weekend and we're going away for a week, so I wanted to get them done before we go. So this one is Hudson in RH1488RT8 by Estetica Designs. So very similar to Sutton, but she's got more layers to her and she's a bit more she's got a bit more of a wave to her, a bit softer rather than the poker straight long bob that I showed you before. This colour is the colour that I had my original Sutton in. Really, really gorgeous kind of honey colours. You've got your rooting as well and it just blends. You've got a few different, you've got a kind of platinum and you've got some golden honey colours going through it. Really, really pretty colour. It also has the exact same cap construction as the Sutton that I showed you before. So you've got your lace front from ear tab to ear tab and your bendy ear tabs to hold her in place. Large monotop, so you can part her wherever you like in that area, left or right parting. Open wefting and your clasps for tightening. Now you can see straight away that Hudson has more bounce to her. She has a bit more volume than the Sutton I showed you before. Sutton's poker straight and you can just see how Hudson falls really softly around your face and has more body at the top as well. So bear that in mind. If you like more body or less, then these two are 2 to choose from. You've got one that is very straight and a lot lower density, and this one is higher density. I'll give you a close-up look all around. So she's kind of a little bit layered, more volume to this one. Again, very, very soft, silky hair fibres, and I think they fall really naturally as well with this wig. I quite often like to tuck wigs behind my ear. I leave a little bit out at the front to hide any lack of hair at the hairline and just tuck behind the ears, and they look really natural like that as well, and it keeps them out of your face. I do that a lot when I'm wearing a longer wig. Something I do a lot with my Hudson is pop her in a little ponytail. She creates the cutest little ponytail. Put a few bits out the front and a few bits by your ears. And when you tie it, make sure you pull the back down so you're not showing any hair that you might have at the back or too much neck. But it's a really cute little ponytail on Hudson. I've just done it roughly, so I would take more time normally. There you go, that is Hudson by Estetica Designs in RH1488RT8 from My Beautiful Wigs.